This is a 2008 Ford Mustang. It's the V6 convertible. We just did a nice custom catback dual exhaust conversion. Put the Flowmaster 3-chamber mufflers on there. Customer doesn't want it too loud, just a nice mellow tone sound. On these you have to trim out the rear bumper. It only has the passenger side cut out. So we had to match the driver's side outlet. Trim up the bumper nice and clean. Put a True X pipe in there. Everything's all tucked up in there clean. It's got the factory cats on there. Like I said, the customer doesn't want it too loud, so this should make it a nice mellow tone. Let's see what it sounds like.
Mm-hmm.